Hello students, let's begin our today's session. Topic 2.2, A True Story of Sea Turtle. Introduction. This is a write-up which highlights how a group of volunteers undertook a project for the protection and conservation of sea turtles and their nest in Maharashtra and involved the local villagers in the project. Now, let's see the facts about sea turtles before heading towards our story. So, there are seven types of sea turtles in the world. Out of that, five are found in India, and these three are mainly found in Maharashtra. The characteristics: the female turtle reaches maturity nearly after a gap of 15 years. She comes to the shore to lay eggs and immediately after return to the sea after laying eggs. They lay about 100 to 150 eggs, and these eggs hatch after a period of 45 to 50 days. They live for about 10 to 80 years, and some special species also live for 100 years. The most important function of the sea turtles are that they keep the sea clean, and thus they occupy an important place in the marine ecology. Now, let's listen to the true story of sea turtle which has been taken place with Bahu Katre. So, according to him, when he and his other co-workers, volunteers, were surveying the white-bellied sea eagle along the coast of Konkan, they came across the shallow pit with, with white eggshells. When inquired with the villagers, they came to know that these were the turtle eggs. So they decided to study this. In this study, they found that the entire coastline was having these turtle eggshells and the pits. They also came to know that these villagers used to comb the beach to steal these eggs. They used to keep watch on the turtles, and when they used to come to the beach, they used to wait till she lays an egg. After she finishes, they used to catch her and kill her, as well as steal the eggs and sold them in the market. This information was disturbing, so they decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of these sea turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. They did not have experience regarding sea turtles, so institution they took help from the institution that worked for the protection of turtles a- and also from the forest department and even from the few local villagers. They launched turtle protection campaign. In this, the local people were appointed to look for the turtle nest. When they found the nest, they have to carefully remove the eggs and bury them in the similar looking pit, but one which is protected with a wire fencing. In this way, they started protecting the eggs. After about 45 to 50 days, when the babies were hatched out of the eggs, it was an event that was very spectacular. The whole village rushed to watch and witness the tiny turtles hurrying across the silver sand to meet the boundless sea. After the success of this project in the year 2006, they decided to begin the Turtle Festival, and appointed for an opportunity for the tourist also to witness the unique and spectacular event of the turtle hatching. This idea also brought money to the villagers, and they started protecting the turtle hatchings even more. So, in this way, Sayadri Nisargam Mitra ultimately done an excellent job in protecting the sea turtles, and in this way the sea turtles were protected and nearly Many species were being saved, and the world and the ecological or the marine ecology was having a proper balance. So, thank you, students.